Hey guys, Tasha McGlashan here, week 4, mission 2, I believe. And what we are doing here is we are building what Russell called our Dream 100, meaning we are reaching out to 100 people in our market, in this case, internet marketing, affiliate marketing. So what he told us to do is to start making a list of our Dream 100, which I've already done. How do we do that? There's so many sources that we can use. So what I did was he showed us, or actually in Julie's training, she showed us where we can find our um, our Dream 100 to start looking. So here we can subscribe to the lists of people that are in our niche. We can join free groups or communities either on their website or a Facebook group. We can leave reviews or comment on a Facebook page, or in this case, like you're seeing right now, my email, and I'll get to that in just a second. And then we can buy something of theirs, try it out. If we are successful with it, we also give props to them for that. And what we're trying to do is we're getting their attention, okay? And then we can verify them on Facebook and Instagram. So what you're looking at here on my page are what we call micro influencers. Billy Darr, Justin Opay, Brendan Mace, Matt Rhodes, Brian Winters, and John Armstrong. These guys are affiliate marketers. And what I did was I purchased their affiliate marketing, which you can see right here in my tab called Creating Cash Flow. So we have the Super Affiliate Network, we have the One Funnel Away Challenge, we have Cartel, Commission Bot, Zeus Factory, all sorts of stuff. So since I've already bought their projects, or their programs, I should say, not projects, I can reach out to these guys and tell them, hey, this is what's working for me, this is not what's working for me, hey, I need help with this. What I'm doing is I'm grabbing their attention by reaching out to them. Okay, so that's the micro niche. For a Google search, what I did was I did top affiliate marketers, and this is what Google gave to me here. So top 10 affiliate marketers you need to follow to be successful. If these people are making gobs of money and I want to do it too, then this search is telling me I need to follow these people. So, okay. So I went in, and I just don't know why they used this picture of this poor guy. I'm sure they could have found a better one. Anyway, this is a list of the top 10 affiliate marketers I need to follow. So what I did was I added those people to my list. Good thing is I have heard of Pat Flynn. I used to be on his list, so it looks like I need to go back and get him back on my list. And Neil Patel, that's another one that I used to follow as well when I first started doing digital marketing and didn't know what I was doing. And now, full circle, a couple years later, I'm back doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so what I did was I added all of these people to my list, and then there was some that I did another search to see if they had um, their own Facebook page. Speaking of Facebook, what I did was I did in a search top affiliate marketer, and what I first went to was people. Ace and Rich are part of an affiliate program that I'm with that I'll show you in a moment. And then here's someone named Jacopo Gianfelici. So what I'm going to do is I would probably go to, let's say, their website, add them as a friend, and read their stuff and make comments, get on their radar. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. And then there are pages. So what I was looking for was what kind of pages are about top affiliate. So we have this one, it's only 83 likes. I want something with a lot more likes. So we got 23,000 here. Top affiliate marketing models. We got ClickBank, digital marketer. I used to be on their email list. There it is, the Super Affiliate Network. That's the one I'm on. Got ClickFunnels. Here's Ace and Rich again. So this is another resource you can use to find out where the people are congregating in your niche. Okay, so I am part of the Super Affiliate Network, and what I did was I scrolled down to my affiliate area, total sales generated. These are the top influencers of all time, so naturally I put them on my list. Okay, so we have monthly and daily. So some of these names are probably going to be different from the names on here, so I'll probably add them as well. And just to show you, I'm actually on the leaderboard. I just found out today I'm number 5 on the daily position of total leads generated. I actually bought um, a buyer clicks last night from Solo Ads X. So again, I don't use Facebook ads, I don't use Google ads. I'm just purchasing somebody else's buyer list, people who buy from them all the time. And what they're doing is they're showing my email to this super affiliate network to their list. Okay, so I purchased 100 clicks for about $38, and I usually get 10% more clicks than what I actually ordered. Okay, so that's really cool to see my name right here. Okay, so looks like I have another window open. This is what I was doing from the Super Affiliate Network. Where'd he go? Total sales. His name is Paolo Barroso. So what I did was I clicked on each of these guys and did a Google search. Affiliate marketer, Paolo. And here he is. He's got YouTube videos, he's got his own page, and I'm sure on his page, if I sign in and receive his email list, here's another thing that's going to happen. I can look at how he's reaching out to me, the copy, the email that he is sending to me that's going to take me to either one of his products or an affiliate products. What you can do with that information, you can copy the whole email and start studying it chunk by chunk by chunk and saying, how did he get me to this other website? And then if I made a purchase, then I definitely want to keep that email copy because it works. It made me purchase. And that's one of the things that we learned in the One Funnel Away Challenge is whatever I bought in the past, what how did they make me do that? And that's something worth keeping. So you don't want to copy word for word, of course. Don't do that. Just use your own words and you already have what you need to say in that email. So what you do is whatever images that they have, you find something similar. Whatever links that they use, you use the links in your email. If they have bold statements or italics, everything you mirror it. You don't directly copy it. I hope that makes sense. So I thought that was a great nugget that from the previous training makes sense here. So that's one of the reasons why I don't always delete all of these. I don't always read all of them, but if I do and I click on it, like for example, I can copy this email and it's short. I can add a link here after I've created this sentence here. I can bold it here. I can do all caps with this here. You know, here's another link. Here's another link. And end this email with my name. You know, so what I would do is, what's he doing in this chunk right here? Man, you guys are loving this new free traffic software. So I could say, okay, they bought something of mine previously. They really love it. It's like dozens of free traffic tools all combined into one. What's he doing here? He's describing that traffic software. It's a tool that's combined into one. You need to see how this works. Show me how this works. And here's a link. Boom. So you keep doing that for each sentence and just, do a little parentheses. What is he saying in here? My suggestion to start fast. He asked a question. You ask a question, and so on and so forth. So that's what they taught us, and I thought that's really good. And that's why you need to keep the emails that you get from your other affiliate marketing, I don't want to say guru, from the people that you've already signed up with. Keep their emails. Keep them as your swipe copy and save them in a Word document, save them in a Google Docs to use for later. Okay. And then here's another thing that I like about Jono Armstrong. He has a video within the email. And then another thing is he says my name. I'm not sure if Sinlane does that. I think they do, but we were also encouraged to have a greeting. If not their first name, then if it's going out to everybody on my list, I would say something like, hey everyone, hey all, hey y'all, something like that. All right, so finally, here we go, like here, Tasha click to watch. If I don't want to read all this, he says, hey, just want to get to the business, click. So that's another thing that you can copy. And then here are links to all his other trainings or affiliate links trainings, which is really awesome. Okay, so I hope that helps. This was a short training, but it's intensive because I've only have 35 influencers on my list, so I have a lot to go. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow.